How's it going, everybody? Today we're talking about creating a workout plan that works for you. I get it. You're busy, and the last thing you want to do is waste time at the gym doing exercises that do unget you. The results you want, or even worse, get injured from doing exercises that you shouldn't be doing. So in this video, I'll show you how to make a workout plan that fits your goals, your schedule, and your lifestyle. Let's get into it. So there are three main things that you need to consider when making a workout plan. One is your goals. What are you trying to accomplish? Are you trying to lose weight? Maybe you're trying to build muscle, strength, and power. Maybe you're recovering from an injury and just want to make sure you're redoing the right exercises for your current limitations. Whatever your goals are, write them down. Having something tangible like a piece of paper with your goals written down can be a great way to stay focused and on track. Plus, you can look back on it later to see how far you've come. Next is your schedule. We all lead such busy lives these days, so it's important to be realistic about how much time you can actually commit to working out. If you're someone who's just getting started, I recommend starting with just 2 or 3 workouts per week. And if you're someone who's more experienced, if you're coming off an injury or just taking some time off, maybe 5 to 6 days a week is more manageable. Whatever your schedule looks like, write it down and work backwards from there. Let's say you have Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays free after work from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. That's 2 to 3 30-minute sessions per week to start, which is a great place to begin. Finally, we have your lifestyle. This includes not only things like your daily activities and energy levels, but also your preferences when it comes to working out. Some people are more motivated to work out first thing in the morning before their day gets started. Others prefer to work out later in the day after they've had a chance to warm up. Some people enjoy working out in the great outdoors, while others prefer the comfort of a home workout. There's no right or wrong way to work out. It's all about finding what you enjoy and what fits into your lifestyle. Otherwise, you won't stick with it. So now that you have your goals, your schedule, and your lifestyle written down, it's time to put it all together and create your workout plan. Here's where things get really fun. If you want to build muscle strength and power, I recommend starting with a split routine. Split routine is when you focus on different muscle groups each day, allowing for more recovery time for those muscles. An example of a split routine would be to focus on legs one day, chest and back the next, and then arms, shoulders, biceps, and triceps over the next few days. That way you have a rest day or two before focusing on legs again. If your goal is weight loss, then any exercise that gets you moving is great. My favorite approach here is a full body workout 3 times a week with a combination of cardio and strength training. Make sure you're including exercises that get your heart rate up and burning calories, but also exercises that help you maintain and build muscle mass. Muscle mass improves your resting metabolism, and it also happens to be an excellent place for your body to store excess glycogen. Glycogen is like a sponge for excess glucose in your bloodstream. Having more muscle mass means your body can absorb more glucose and store it as glycogen, which can help keep your blood sugar levels in check. Whatever your goals are, make sure you're including a variety of exercises that target all the major muscle groups. This will not only help you achieve your goals, but it will also reduce your risk of injury. I recommend starting with 2 to 3 workouts per week and gradually increasing from there. Remember, consistency is key. The best workout plan is the one that you can stick to. So find what works for you, your goals, your schedule, and your lifestyle, and go for it. Track your progress and make adjustments along the way. Most importantly, have fun. Working out doesn't have to be a chore. It can be enjoyable and rewarding. Just remember to listen to your body, take rest days when needed, and don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're just getting started. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out through social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.